Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, can you hear that? It is storming out here in Texas. We're going to have 95% storms all day. So we're going to get some rain and it's hitting my window. I have a planter box window and it's hitting it and that's that noise. Hear that? Yeah. So you'll be hearing this during my filming and whatever I get filmed today. But today I have my hashtag 2022 Advent Calendar Project update. Oh yeah, I'm almost finished, but I'm not going to probably finish my palettes. But this project was started by Helene of Helene Makeup, and Paula, a beauty guru, made me do it. They decided couple years ago that, hey, we've got half-emptied products, we've got samples sitting around and we're not using them, so let's get these products out the door. So they started this great idea using an advent calendar, which a lot of times we all have a leftover advent calendar maybe sitting around and we can use it, and that's what I'm doing. I am using my little Goodness and Grace Time to Celebrate advent calendar, and of course it's used and I've already gone through everything, but what we do is we do little pieces of paper of 24 products. We put a little slip of paper in each little box, and then we open it up. We start off with 5, and then we'll open up day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 randomly. We don't know what's in there, and we'll start with those 4 to 5 products, and then each month we do an update. And we'll start this on December 27th for the new year 2023. So if any of you want to join in with us, you certainly can. You do not have to film in order to be a part of this project. You can do this on your own and just follow along with us and maybe give us an update as you're getting through your products, or our channel or a beauty channel and you want to add this to your projects or things to do. You're more than welcome to do that, and I encourage you and actually invite each and every one of you, no matter what your channel. I think this is a great project. It helps you focus on getting products out the door. Now, what do I have left in my project? I had 4 products that I'm working on, and that's all I have left in my project. I started off with 24 and I didn't really add any this particular time, but I will tell you where I'm at. First, let's start off with my palettes. My palettes are things that I just decided to add into the Advent project because I wanted to focus on a couple of palettes, and you can see my progress or my not so much progress depending on the palette. I've been using the Estee Lauder Golden Goddess and the Estee Lauder Glamour Pack from 2021 Christmas, and that was in their Blockbuster. And as far as that one goes, it's got a little mirror. I have not made much progress. You can tell I've got some dents in the blues, the purples, but this is not a very focused shadow pack for me. I have been focusing on this one, and I love this palette. And you can see I've already got pan in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I still have not hit pan in those browns and blues. And y'all know from watching some of my collabs and other things that I'm doing that I have been using those specific colors in my everyday use. Matter of fact, I have them on today. Now, I do put on a little bit of these purples sometimes, and or the pinks, and sometimes even the blues. So I do use these for an accent, and today I do have some of this lighter purple over here on, and I think that's about it out of this palette this time around on today's eyes. But I do use it from time to time. But those are my palettes, and that's how far I've gotten. And I mean, overall, considering the Golden Goddess was almost brand new, I think I've done real well with that one. So anyways, my products that I'm currently working on, I am working on the Lancome Rose Jelly Mask. This mask is really nice and thick. It is similar to the Clinique's hydrating mask, or hydrating, oh, I can't remember the name of it. It's Clinique 72-hour hydration moisturizer. And I can't remember the exact name of it, but this looks like it even. It's got the consistency. If any of you have that product, you know what I'm talking about. It's like a gel type moisturizer. It holds water on your skin And of course, this moisturizer could be used not only for my face, but my hands and body. But this is an overnight mask. And a lot of times I just plain old forget to put it on, but I do get it on, and it says to do it only 2 or 3 times a week, so I guess I'm on track with that. It's got a lot in there. I'm probably halfway through. My next product is my Babe Pop from Clinique, and I've made about the same progress, just maybe a little dent. I'm almost done with it. And then I had my Becca Petal, which I really love this lipstick because of the moisturizing effect that it has. It's a very moisturizing lipstick by Becca. And I'm almost done with it. And I have it on along with my MAC underneath it with the blue red. E for Effortless. I like that lipstick color. And then, of course, I've got on my Buxom Plumper too. My next product that I did finish was the Aveda Light Essence Essentials. This is a very light, dry oil on your hair, and I really liked it. A matter of fact, I have another one. I'll be using it. It's really nice for when you want to add a little moisture to the ends of your hair, and of course, I need to do that on a regular basis. So that's where I'm at on my project, and I just wanted to pop on here and give y'all an update. Since I finished the Aveda and I don't really have anything in my calendar, I decided to pop in and use this Estee Lauder Micro Essence water, and it won't take long to use up this sample. I want y'all to know a full bottle of this is like $100. It's ridiculous, and I did buy it one time when it was $80, but I don't think I'd ever buy it again. I could not tell a difference really from using one product to another on this particular. Maybe I'll find out something new when I start using it up again, but that's just how I feel about it at the moment. So that is my update for this calendar, and if you are interested in doing this project, I highly encourage you. It really does help you finish product. It keeps you focused, and that's why I joined it. And for you that don't know, this was my very first video to put out whenever I was starting up my channel as far as coming on and talking to you guys and showing you things. And I didn't even really know what I was gonna do. I just started with this, and it was January 3rd, 2021. That's when I started. I'm not quite 2 years yet. I'm coming up on my 2 year in January. But anyways, if you want to go back and see my very first video and how nervous I was, you can go check that out. But guys, that's all I have today. I appreciate you being here with me and checking back with me on my hashtag 2022 Advent Calendar Project. And don't forget to check my descriptions for any current collaborations and giveaways. There's quite a few, and the 900's coming out soon, so be on the lookout. And thank you very much. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.